my god, I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Bracelets. We have a new bundle coming up. It's Valentine's Day, bro. Interruption. Why did I say that, bro? Like, why did I say that? Okay, guys. So let me turn my camera. Let me turn my camera on my bed. So look, we can choose what we want to start with. I'm gonna start with red. So I'm gonna just speed this process up. I'm gonna speed this video up, and then yeah, look how fast I can do this. I'm reaching the end of it. So sorry if you guys couldn't see, cause I didn't really know. If you couldn't see, I'm sorry. It's just like my bed camera. The camera just doesn't move a lot, and if this moves, it's over, bro. So I will show you what it looks like before we take it off. It's crazy. Easy. So, no mistakes. Obviously, I don't do the lighting part. Parents do the lighting. I don't do no light ups in here. I just do the weaving part, the knotting part. Pretty good at it. So this is the last. What? I knew I just caught myself doing C with the white, bro. Like, I almost caught myself. Like, I just know that I don't do C with any other colors. So this is why it takes so long to make a dream pack. Matter of fact, in dream packs, we don't usually sell them anymore. Okay, let's just see if it's doable. Could you? Okay, wait, just wait. Let me see if it's good. Okay, it's good. It's good. So I just unbuckle it right here. Oh shoot, wait, let me not unbuckle that. Just thought that'd be a good idea, but we don't. We cut these pieces, light them up. I don't think that's what we do, but that's what we do. Bro. So I'll come back to you and show you when I'm done unbuckling. Well, I'm gonna show you what happens when I cut these and light them up. So I'll be right back in 1 second. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and we had some extra space. So you're in luck. You're in luck, bro. You're in luck. You get extra on school friends know this. You get extra on yours. Yes, you get extra on yours. You get extra on yours. Someone who's getting this one, you got extra on yours. You lucky, bro. You lucky. Whoever got that, they're lucky. Gotta be lucky, bro. Gotta be lucky. Okay. Approaching. Okay. Okay. I'll cut it. And then let's see. Okay, good. Okay, guys. Be ready to unbuckle. Are we ready to unbuckle? Ready? 3. The moment of truth. 3, 2, 1, and boom, and boom. Okay, this bracelet is going to be on sale, 75 cents. Let me pull that down real quick. Okay, guys, I forgot the outro. I forgot the outro. I'm just laughing real quick. So I forgot. I forgot the outro. Goes. What? Oh my god. Wait, let me take a picture now. Okay, but okay, the bundle comes with these 3. They have charms on them. Valentine's Day. What? Clearly that says love. Then this is just a regular one, and then boom, it has charms, 2 hearts. You know what I should have made? I should have made like 1 and then another one like with 1 heart on them, bro. That'd be sick. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, wait, we might not make one to the bundle. One might not make it to the bundle. Oh shoot.
What happened? Oh, there.
Okay. Oh my god. I have to get the someone to fix it. That way. So peace out, guys.